Okay, you guys, I'm so mad. So today's my day off, right? It was going to be a leisurely, chill day off. I got up at 6:45 this morning. It's 8:30 right now. And I've just been watching YouTube videos since I got up this morning because we did not do a productive morning routine today. Watch my TikTok videos and I begin to see the e-girl videos. Now, if you watch TikTok at all, or if you've seen TikTok compilations on YouTube, a big trend right now is being an e-girl, which is essentially just basic natural glowy makeup with blush over the nose, faux freckles, big glossy lips, and typically they do the little hearts under the eyes and then they do the e-girl wardrobe from there. And I was like, I want to try this. I don't know. I wasn't even gonna wear makeup today. I'm not even going anywhere today, but I have to try e-girl makeup. Oh man, I gotta do it. I have to try it. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm still drinking my coffee. I haven't even had breakfast yet, but you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna become an e-girl today. It's gonna be a really chill video. Let's get started. One of the things I notice typically with e-girl makeup is that their skin is like big glow, right? I'm here for that. I'm here for the glow, so I'm gonna go in and prime my skin with a hydrating primer. So we're gonna try. Now typically they do like a light coverage foundation, but because our natural face is not e-girl material, we're gonna wear a full coverage foundation and I'm just gonna make it look as dewy as humanly possible. So I've never done faux freckles before. So because they don't really do any intensive eye makeup, I'm gonna go and do my foundation first. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna apply it with a beauty blender though, because that might help make it dewy. I don't know. Okay, guess we're gonna go in with concealer. Brighten. Used like a lot of concealer. Good look. It's a good look for me. I like it. I'm in. You can't even tell that it's highlighted in the video because I'm so white, but it is, I promise. It's highlighted. Wow, I'm so pale. Is this why people fake tan for YouTube? Because they're so agonizingly pale? Is that the real reason? Not because people want naturally to be tan, but because they're so pale that they can't even do makeup properly for YouTube because you can't tell? That would make sense. I mean, honestly, realistically, I could see it. But I'm also, again, still messing with my lighting, so who knows? Okay, now while we let that crease everywhere, because I forgot to open this, I'm trying a new setting powder. This is the Cover FX Perfecting Setting Powder. I've heard exceptional things about this and everybody says it's amazing. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna see if it's as good as people say it is. I'm excited. I really hope this doesn't oxidize my foundation because it's not like an actual like white translucent. So, I mean, rightfully a little bit nervous about all that, but it could be great. Could be the best setting powder on planet Earth. We don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and set the other places that I crease just because I'm a creasy boy. I mean, surprisingly, the setting powder is actually looking really pretty, and setting powders never look pretty on me. So, I mean, that's a perk. I'm gonna go and do my eyebrows. E-girls have naturally great brows. I have naturally gray eyebrows after I do my foundation. So the one thing I despise about my camera is that it just stops recording after about 20 minutes. And I'm still messing with my cameras and stuff, so I'm using my G7X. All the other videos that I've done up until this point were done with my Sony, which is like an actual video camera. But I don't know, I was just experimenting. I wanted to see how this did. I wanted to see how my snowball mic does. I'm going to do my eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my inner corner and brow bone, and then I'm gonna do my eyeliner, because it looks like, from what I can tell, e-girls typically will just do this and then they will just do eyeliner and no like eyeshadow or anything. Like some e-girls will do eyeshadow. It depends on like what vibe of e-girl they're going for. But I think the one I'm gonna try to do is that more natural type of e-girl. At 8:30 in the morning, what else would you do besides become an e-girl? Okay, I'm gonna do my eyeliner real quick and then we will move on with our life. Okay, so there's the eyeliner. We got that on. I'm gonna switch cameras real quick because this is gonna die any second anyway, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I'm closer because of how this camera interprets things. I'm so hot. But we got our eyeliner on. It's not the best I've ever done in my life, but it's good enough for today because I'm not going anywhere. Now it looks like e-girls don't do lower eyeliner, so I'm not gonna do lower eyeliner. They just typically do big lashes, so that's fine. So unfortunately, I think it's time to do the freckles, which I'm super nervous about. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a brown pencil liner, because that's what I have. I'm gonna start putting dots on my face. In areas I think there would be freckles. I'm kind of trying to like look through and see my natural freckles. It's not going too great. Kind of tapping them in to try to fade them out a little bit. I don't know how people do freckles so well. Like, this is hard. Okay, so the freckles on this side are way better than the freckles on this side. That's okay. I think maybe once I put blush on, they might look better. Okay, I mean, sure. So we're gonna do bronzer real quick. We're gonna go lightly in with bronzer though, because they don't wear a whole lot of bronzer, from what I've noticed. And with blush, lots of blush. Like, we do lots of blush. I mean, it's not bad. It's really not bad. I think we're gonna go in and highlight now because we need to glow. Because we're too pure for this world. It's kind of cute. Girl, we got cute. Okay, I'm gonna go in and spray my face before I do my mascara. Typically, normal e-girls do the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, but here on this channel of e-girl, we don't do that because we don't use products with dyes in them. So, no tea, no shade. I really like those sprays, honestly. I'm just trying to use stuff that doesn't have dyes in it. Like, besides makeup, because obviously you can't avoid it with makeup, but like with skincare stuff, I'm trying to avoid it. So anyway, Juice Hydrating Mist. I really like it. It smells really good. So glow. You know what? I'm gonna add a little something to my lids. We do a little bit pink in the crease. Cause there's never enough pink when you're an e-girl. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, cute. Cute. I need to finish this. I've been recording for 45 minutes, but also at the same time, I've never done this before, so I mean, it's okay. Cute. I think I'll do a little bit of pink on the lower lash line once the mascara dries. I guess we can move on to lips. Big glossy lips are necessary. Okay, I'm gonna quickly put some lashes on real quick. We'll add the gloss and then I think we'll be done. Gloss. Oh boy. Well, there we go. Honestly, I think it's really cute. I like it. Again, still not sure about the freckles, not really feeling them as much as I was hoping I would, but honestly they work. Like, they look mostly like freckles. Overlined my upper lip like a lot. I don't have an upper lip. I have all lower lip. When God was in his little mixing bowl, he said, let's give her all the lower lip. Let's not give her any upper lip. Right? Cool. Blush. Ooh, the blush is so flippin' cute. I love the blush on the nose. Honestly, might start doing this regularly. Am I just gonna become an e-girl? Realistically, comment below. What are my chances of just becoming like full-on e-girl 24/7? If you have made it this far in the video, I applaud you for sitting through me trying to become an e-girl for however long this video will be. Yeah, I appreciate you. I do. So I'm gonna go take a lot of Instagram pictures, and I'm gonna continue to do nothing for the rest of the day as an e-girl. So thank you guys for watching this mess of a video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this kind of mess of a content, click that subscribe button, ring the bell so you know exactly when I post more weird content of me trying to become someone else. All of my social media will be linked down in the description below. And that's it. I'm gonna go. Okay. See you later, guys.